I love it when stuff works out. Like today, for example. I have to create a tie down for the bike so that it doesn't roll forward and become a projectile if I stop fast. So I got this D-ring and I put it over these screws, and the screws are exactly in the right place. So I'm going to unscrew these, screw this D-ring down, and that'll be step one of my tie down. Okay, so there it is, and it's going to work out just fine. Okay, so there it is, all buttoned back up. I've got a nice little strap here holding the back tire from moving forward, and then right here around the down tube I have another D-ring under the seat and tied off right there so the bike won't move laterally and it won't move longitudinally. So it's gonna ride just fine now. I don't have to worry about the thing coming flying forward and killing me if I have to stop fast or get in an accident. So that was the whole purpose of doing this. That's it.